Unlocking the meaning of I'm not in agreement. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase you might have heard or need to use in discussions. I'm not in agreement. Understanding this phrase is crucial for expressing disagreement politely and clearly in English. So, let's explore what it means, when to use it, and how to incorporate it into your conversations. I'm not in agreement is a formal and polite way to express that you disagree with someone or something. It's a respectful method to communicate that your views or opinions differ from another person's without being confrontational. This phrase is particularly useful in professional settings or in discussions where maintaining a positive tone is important. You might use I'm not in agreement in various situations, such as during meetings or discussions at work, when you want to express a different viewpoint from your colleagues or superiors, academic settings, in debates or when discussing theories and ideas with which you disagree, personal conversations, especially when discussing sensitive topics where you want to disagree without causing offense. It's a versatile phrase that helps you navigate disagreements with grace and professionalism. Here are some examples of how you can use this phrase in sentences. 1. I'm not in agreement with this strategy. And here's why. This is a great way to introduce your perspective after expressing disagreement. 2. While I understand your point, I'm not in agreement regarding the solution. This sentence shows understanding before expressing disagreement. 3. I'm not in agreement that this is the only option we have. Use this when you want to suggest that there are alternative solutions or viewpoints. These examples show how you can express disagreement constructively, fostering a conversation rather than shutting it down. Today, we've explored the phrase, I'm not in agreement, what it means, when to use it, and how to incorporate it into your English conversations. Remember, expressing disagreement doesn't have to be confrontational. Using polite and respectful phrases like, I'm not in agreement, can help maintain a positive atmosphere, even in the face of differing opinions. We hope this lesson has been helpful and that you feel more confident in expressing disagreement politely in English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.